Tomorrow, 8 French guests are checking in. So today, we're putting this gorgeous villa to the test.
Come with me and see if this place really lives up to the hype.
Let's test out the outdoor shower.
Perfect pressure. Now let's go and check inside.
So, we've got 8 guests, which means that we need at least 8 knives, 8 forks, 8 spoons, and 8 glasses to go. Julian summers are absolutely gorgeous, but honestly, that midday sun is no joke. When our guests come back from a morning at the beach, they need an instant blast of cool air. Let's test it out. It needs to cool the room down fast, but more importantly, it has to be completely silent. Nobody wants a loud AC unit ruining their afternoon nap. And finally, the ultimate test of any luxury stay. But let's see what's going on under the covers. Crisp, fresh sheets, not a single wrinkle out of place. Alright guys, this villa is fully vetted and ready for our guests. If you want to come and experience this beautiful oasis for yourself, check the link right down in the description. As for me, I'm off to hit the beach. Ciao!